Today, we're going to show you how to make hard-boiled eggs. Start off by adding about 2 inches of water to a medium-sized saucepan. We're going to be bringing this water to a soft boil, so we have our stovetop set to a medium temperature. With our water now boiling, it's time to grab our eggs. When placing the eggs into boiling water, we found it easiest to use a ladle. The ladle allows you to safely and softly lower your eggs into the boiling water. You can add as many eggs as you would like that fit inside your saucepan. Just make sure to gently lower them into the pan and not to drop them. With our eggs now boiling, we're going to start a 13-minute timer. Next, you'll want to prepare an ice bath. Simply grab a medium-sized bowl, fill it with water, and drop some ice cubes in it to bring it down to temperature. The eggs will be placed in here immediately following being boiled. Once your 13-minute timer goes up, go ahead and grab your eggs out of the water and transfer them directly into the ice bath. Remember to gently lower them in as you don't want to drop them. With the eggs in the ice bath, we'll start an 8-minute timer. This time is going to allow the eggs to cool down and stop cooking. After this timer has gone up, your eggs are now cooked and ready to eat. You can either place them in the refrigerator to preserve them, or you can go ahead and start peeling them for immediate consumption. When peeling the eggs, it's helpful to start from the bottom, but it's ultimately up to your preference. And that is how you make a hard-boiled egg. Thanks for watching.